Here is another beautiful project from Level Up Contractor. This is how it was before. This is the existing, let's say, old kitchen. The goal was to open it up a little bit, give it a bigger feeling and to increase the space. So we removed pony walls that separate the hallway and the kitchen. And also we had the chance to cut a little bit the wall between the living room and the kitchen. The rest of it, it's a sheer wall. We upgrade the whole kitchen, ground up. All the plumbing is new, dedicated lines, sub-panel box, beautiful tiles on the floor and the backsplash. I think it's a great combination that the owner chose here with the colors. In general, it's a much more open feeling. Give us a call and we will do it for you as well. Thank you.